This news has been flying around since the beginning of this year that every biometric resident permit will expire by 31st of December 2024. You need to replace it with an eVisa. According to the UK government website, you need to wait until you get an email notification from the Home Office before you can replace your BRP with an eVisa. Many got this email while many others have been waiting for ages. I was one of them, but guess what? My email finally arrived. If you haven't received yours, kindly wait patiently until you receive it before you proceed to replace your BRP with the eVisa. If you have received the email notification, the first step you need to take is to create a UK VI account to access your eVisa. So now, I'm going to read out the email I got from the Home Office to you so that you can know what the email is going to look like when you receive your own email. So the email says, "Dear Sir or Madam, we are contacting you because your biometric resident permit BRP will expire by 31st of December 2024. To prove your immigration status after this date, you will need to replace your BRP with an eVisa, which is free and easy to do. The expiration of your BRP card does not affect your immigration status." So now, to create your UK VI account, you will need your date of birth, your BRP number, your passport, if you do not have a BRP card. So you need access to an email address, any email, and phone number. Then also you need access to a smartphone because you're going to be needing it during the process of creating the account. So write in the email you get from the Home Office. There will be a link in the email where you can create the account. So once you click the link, it's going to redirect you to the account creation page. So for people who haven't received the email notification from the Home Office yet, I would suggest maybe you use the link as well to try and create an account. Maybe you're going to be able to create the account. But if you are not able to create the account, so that means you just have to wait until you get the email notification from the Home Office. So now we are on the account creation page. After you have been redirected to the account creation page, just scroll down and click on Start Now to start creating the account. So have you ever had a BRP resident permit card? In my own case, yes. So if it is no for you, click no and continue. Do you still have your BRP resident permit BRP card? Yeah, I have it. Yes. If you don't have it, you click no and continue. Is your biometric resident permit BRP valid? Mine is still valid, not expired yet. So to be valid, the BRP expiry date must be in the future. Yeah, yes. So continue. Create a UK visas and immigration account. Yeah, so now here you're going to click on the create an account. Who are you creating this account for? Myself. If you are creating for someone, click someone and continue. So what's your name? So here you need to type in your name and your surname. Then you click on continue. So on this page, enter your country of nationality and click continue. Which identity document are you using? So I'm using biometric card. Continue. Enter your BRP resident permit number. So here you need to enter your BRP resident permit number. Enter your BRP resident permit number and the expiry date and click continue as well. So at this point, you need to input your date of birth to continue because you need to verify your date of birth. So input your date of birth and click on continue. So what email address do you want to use when you sign into the account? So you need to use an email address that you have access to at all times. So because this is the email you'll be using each time you sign into your account. So put the email and click continue. So now at this point, you need to check your email for security code sent to your email. So it's a one-time code. By doing this, you are trying to verify that your email is accessible. So what phone number do you want to use when you sign in? Input your phone number and click continue. So now you need to check your phone number because a one-time code will be sent to your phone. Check your phone message and input the security code as well. Then click continue. Do you want someone else to have access to your account? In my own case, no. So continue. At this point, the form has been filled. So you need to double check to make sure you are not making any errors. So once you confirm that all the information you input are correct, then click on create account. UK visas and immigration account created. So what do you need to do next? This is the point where you need access to a smartphone because you need to confirm your identity using the immigration ID check app. You need to go to the Apple Store and download the immigration ID check app. That is the app you're going to use to verify your ID. Once you download the app, click on sign in on this page after you downloaded the app. So what identity document did you use when you create your account? I use Biometric Residence Permit Card, so I'm going to click on it and continue. So what is your Biometric Residence Card or permit number? Input yours as well, as I have done so here, then click on continue. So what is your date of birth? So we are trying to sign in back to the account now. The account we just created, so this information are very important to sign in. So now, how do you want to receive a security code? So the phone number or the email address you used earlier, so a security code is going to be sent to either the phone number or the email for security reason or for security purpose before you can be able to have access to your account. Continue. So now, link your eVisa to your account. You have not started. So now, at this point, you need to click on the start. So now here, you need to click on the confirm your identity. You need to confirm your identity using the UK Immigration ID Check app. So you need to download the app on your smartphone. So after downloading the app, click on continue. On the page here, so check you have the right smartphone. So to scan your documents, you must use the app on an iPhone 7 or newer model. So do you have access to one of these phones? Yes. Continue. So continue on the app, download the app. So in my own case, I have downloaded the app already. So after downloading the app, so open the app and the app is going to ask you, how are you connecting the app? Since I am filling the form on the computer, on my laptop, so I have the QR code there, so I'm going to choose the QR code. I'm connecting to the QR code. So now you can connect to the code as well. So in my own case, I'm connected to the QR code. So after scanning the QR code, then the app needs to confirm who I am. So now it's going to send 6-digit one-time code to my phone number, which I have received. So connecting. So app is connected. The app is connected to my phone now. Start using the app. Take an image of the document, check your document information, so then click start. So now which document will you use? I use the Biometric Residence Permit Card, so I tap on it, so then click on continue. So also continue. So at this point, I need to scan my At this point, I need to scan my Biometric Residence Card. So the document needs to be still. So you just place the biometric card on a flat surface. Make sure it is still. Then place the phone on it to scan it. You are using the wrong type of the document. So now here I made a mistake by scanning the front of the card. So it's supposed to be the back. So don't make that mistake, or else you just be struggling for ages. So scan the back of the biometric card. So the image is taken now. So take an image of the other side, which is the front. So you take the image of the back first. Secondly, you take the image of the front. I'm taking the image of the front. So the image has been taken. Access the chip in your card. So there's a chip, built-in chip that comes with your UK Biometric Card. So we need to access it, we need to scan it. Place your card on a steel surface, on a flat surface, then scan. You can move your phone around on the biometric card to get where the chip is. So at this point, I am trying to find where the chip is. So I am trying to find where the chip of my card is. After trying for so many times, I got an error message until I finally find where the chip is. So let me give you a quick tip. Move the camera of your phone around the ID to get the chips. The mistake I made at first was I was moving the body of my phone around the around my biometric card, and it didn't find any chip. So quick tips: the camera of your phone is what is going to detect the chip on your biometric card. This is the mistake I made. So I tried for like maybe 2-3 times before I could be able to use my sense that, oh, I need to use my camera. So at the end of the day, I finally use my camera. I move my camera around the biometric card. It automatically scans the chip. So when the phone accesses the chip, so it says access chip completed. Click OK. So scan your face. So you need to scan your face as well. Place your face in the oval shape and follow the instruction on the app. So once the face scan is successful, you should see the message on the app that face scanned successfully. Now you need to take your picture, so you need to use a white background. So if the picture is not okay, it's going to show you error message, then you can retry until you get it right. So once your picture is being accepted, tap use this photo, then click on submit information. Before you submit information, cross check, double check your information again, maybe it is correct, then click on submit information on your phone. So what happened next? Click on continue and return back to the UK immigration account. So either you are using your phone or you are using your laptop to access the account. So go back to the account to continue. So now I've gotten back to my account now, so I'm going to sign out, then sign in again. So, and that's what I have done here. So I don't need to show you guys how I am signing in again. So after signing in to the account, so now it says link your eVisa to your account again. So it says link your eVisa to your account. So I'm going to click on continue. If you're on the same page with me, click on continue. So let's scroll down to see what's going on. Now it is still showing that the process are not yet started. Click on confirm your identity again so that it can update it. So we are fetching your form. Continue linking your eVisa to your account. So now you click on continue to link the eVisa to the account. So confirm your identity is completed. So now let's do the location. Are you in the UK? Yes, I am in the UK. If you're outside the UK, you say you are outside the UK. Click on continue, then that's completed. So let's go to contact preferences. Which email address can we use to contact you later in future? So I'm using the same email. You can put the email address you want, so your phone number as well. Click on continue. So 3 tabs are completed. Account security questions. So here, choose set of security questions for yourself in case you forget your login details to log into your account. So, and here you are going to provide security answers as well. So this will enable you to get into your account later in future in case you forget your login details or sign-in details. So after setting the security questions and answers, click on continue. So now declaration, that's the last stage. So I am the person submitting the information and I am aged 18 or over. Continue. All tabs are completed. So click on submit. Select confirm and submit to finalize the application. So your information has been submitted. What happens next? We will email you using the contact email address you have chosen when your eVisa is ready to view. So as at now, I have completed the application for the eVisa, but the eVisa is not ready to be viewed online. Once it is ready, I'm going to receive an email from Home Office. So now what I need to do, or what you need to do now, is click on finish and leave service. So everything is completed. You just have to wait for the final email to arrive so that you can have access to your eVisa. So after waiting for like 4 days, I got this email address. There are your daily welfare. You can now view your eVisa online. You need to sign in using your UK visa and immigration account details. So now the link to sign in is going to be there. So I click on the link, or if you have the same email, click on the link, scroll down and click on start now. So what identity document did you use? Biometric card. So input your, if you use passport, click on passport, input your passport number or biometric card number, then take you to the next stage as well. After clicking continue, input your date of birth, click on continue. And how do you want to receive a security code? Either to text message or email address. Look out for your one-time security code, so which I'm doing. So I use my email address, so I'm getting the security code now. After inputting the security code, click on continue and let's see what happens. So now my eVisa is ready. Henceforth, if you want to prove your immigration status to anyone, so instead of the biometric card, you can just sign into your account, then get a share code. Give them the share code, be it immigration on anybody or employer. Give them the share code and they know what to do to verify your immigration. So thanks for sticking around till the end. If you are coming for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel. It is free. If you like this video, or if you find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up by liking the video. Share this video to your friends and family who you think they might need this video or this information. And also, if you have any problem, creating your account, drop a comment below and I will be here to help you out. Thanks for sticking around and I will see you in the next video.